Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Dream to do a full cabin tour of a Category 4C Deluxe Family Ocean View Stateroom with Veranda.
Now this room will turn into a Category 4B starting January 1st, 2022, but it's the same stateroom, and we really like these family staterooms because they have a lot more space in them, and you can sleep up to 5 people in some of them. This particular one only has bedding for 4, but it does have that extra space and the nice veranda outside.
So let's go check it out.
So when we first come into the room, on the left there are a couple doors to the bathrooms in here, and then on the right we have our closets. We have only 3 doors to the closets in here, a little bit less space than some of the other rooms. We've got a couple closet rods in these closets as well as a safe down below here. You also have your life vests, of course, and in this closet you have a ladder for the pulled down bed if you're using that here in the room. And then the bathrooms behind me, we do have the 2-bathroom option in this stateroom. So this one has the vanity, which has a little bit of storage space down below. You've got the hand soap there, a little bit of hand soap there, and a few shelves up on the left. And of course the toilet in here. And they even stamped the toilet paper with the Disney Cruise Line logo. You can see that right there. Pretty fancy. And then the other bathroom over here is where you'll find your tub or shower. In our case, we have a little bit of a unique tub. It's a small circle tub instead of the larger tub. It does have a detachable shower head. We also have a rainfall style shower head up there in the ceiling. And then of course we have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then the shower curtain actually has little Mickey heads in the curtain as well. We have a vanity in here with a little bit of storage down below and a decent amount of counter space considering the size of the bathroom. You've got a little makeup towel there with your washcloths. You also have some lotion on the other side and some towels there. And then you do have a full-length mirror on the back of the door. Coming into the room, we have a queen-size bed, and there is storage space down underneath. It is raised up so you can store your luggage under there. We've got a little bed runner down here with the Disney Cruise Line logo and a little silhouette of Mickey Mouse and a bunch of nautical themes here. And then we have a small nightstand on the side of the bed. The one on this side has an alarm clock that is set to ship time, and it does have some USBs built into it. And there's a secondary plug underneath there, so you have a few places to plug up your devices over here. There's a small drawer there as well as the light, and the light has little Mickey heads cut out of it, and it also shows the location of the different Disney parks around the world, like Disneyland, Disney World, Disneyland Paris over on this side, and then also the Disney cruise ships with the Magic over there in Europe, the Fantasy and the Dream here in Florida, and then the Wonder out there on the West Coast. And if you could see around the other side, it actually shows some of the parks over in Asia as well. Over on the wall here, we have 4 different cruise ships. Of course, that is the Dream, Wonder, Fantasy, and Magic. And down below the cruise ships, we have Steamboat Willie, kind of showing where everything started and where they are today. The room can be divided using that big curtain there. It does go all the way across to close off that half of the room and give a little bit of privacy. We've got another small nightstand over here just like on the other side, but this one doesn't have any wall outlets. It just has the phone there. This couch does pull down into a twin-size bed, so you can have one person sleeping there. And there's also a twin-size bed in the ceiling they can pull down. If you'd like that, you can have your stateroom host take care of that for you. And then you can sleep, of course, 4 people in this room with those 2 beds. There's a small table here, a little coffee table that's really nice. I do prefer the trunks that they used to have in the room. I liked having more storage, but the little table is nice too. We have the picture hanging up here over the couch of some rope art of Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Daisy and Goofy, and then of course a bunch of random nautical items there. It's a great little picture on the wall. And then in this particular room, we have a very large desk area, dresser area, with lots of drawers and cabinets for storage, a lot of little places to tuck things away here in this room. Of course, we have a TV here, and we also have a mini fridge down below the TV. This does not have a little freezer section, just a regular mini fridge there, but decent size. We have a little makeup chair as well as our mirror, and the lights beside the mirror do have those little Mickey heads cut out of them as well. And then we do have 2 additional outlets here on the desk. right there on the end. So these and the ones on the other side of the bed are pretty much the only outlets you have here in the room. We have a chair here in the corner right next to our door that leads out to our beautiful veranda. And of course there are a couple chairs out here on the veranda for us. We have a small little table out here as well. It's a pretty good size. And if you are using the connected rooms with the stateroom next to you, they do have the option to remove part of that divider there so that you can share a veranda with the rest of your party as well. And that is going to conclude our tour of this Category 4C Deluxe Ocean View Family Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Dream.
We hope you enjoyed that stateroom tour here on the Disney Dream. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel.
And you can find other stateroom tours of Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel and a ton of room tours of the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney resorts around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.